Hi, my name is Scottie, and in this video I am going to show you how to sketch a face using very simple construction lines. This will hopefully allow you to sketch a portrait without spending ages on construction lines, drawing circles, measuring. The sketch won't be completely accurate, but it's something that when you want a loose, quick sketch, it's really nice and easy to do. So I'm starting out here with some very loose and light outlines for this girl's face, hair and body. So I'm trying to find the correct shape as I sketch loosely, and then I'm moving on to the face structure. I'll draw the eyebrows and then the nose, the bottom of the nose, and I'm giving a little bit of shadow detail there. And then the top lip, you can see that's in shadow as well. And I skip the bottom lip and do a little shadow under that bottom lip. And the chin, so my first initial lines weren't accurate, so I'm trying to create that chin shape. And the side of her face as well. Now onto the eyes. I start with the corner. I'm looking at the eyebrow and I'm looking at the bottom of the nose and I'm seeing where I think that corner of the eye will go. And then I go across to make the top eyelid. But I'm focusing on it as a shadow, not as a detailed eyelid. Okay, I'll pause the video here. Firstly, I'll show you the main outlines. So these are the main shapes I was trying to capture in the loose sketch. And then these are the construction lines for the face. So from the top hairline to the chin, I divide the face into 3 sections. And once I have the eyebrows and the nose in, between the hairline and the chin, I know where the eyes and the mouth goes. So I look at the reference photo and I decide where the starting point for the eyes are, and then I match them to the photo. So it's using observation. In the back of the mind, I know that approximately the eye starts about 2/3 up from the bottom of the nose, and I know that the mouth, the middle of the mouth, starts from 2/3 from the bottom of the chin. But I'm not measuring, I'm just looking at the photo and placing it because it's a quick sketch. So once you have these basic outline shapes for the main parts, for the face, the hair and the body, and then you place in these very simple construction lines, it really helps for the rest of your detailing. So I don't try and do any hair or any eyes or shading yet. I'll leave that for later, once I've got those positions right for the proportions. Okay, now we've got all that basic structure. We're going to move into the details. So I might put this into time lapse. I'm thinking here that the eyes are really important to capture this person's mood, and so that's why I'll try and get that top of that eyelid to cover a little bit of the iris and make it a bit darker. Okay, so I'll work on the shading of the hair now, and I'll use the side of my pencil. And I won't press too hard at the moment, so I'm working out where the shadows are. If you're wondering what pencil I'm using, it's a Conti black sketching pencil. I've got the details in the description. It's a really nice, smooth pencil. Okay, so the rest of the sketch is just putting in all the details, the eyes, the eyebrows, and making sure those features stand out, and adding a bit more shadow around the side of the face, and trying not to overdo it. So that's how I sketch a portrait using very simple construction lines. I hope you got something out of it. Please subscribe or hit the like button if you enjoy this sketch, and I'll see you next time.